Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's take a look at how we can simplify a Boolean algebraic expression that's written with conditionals and biconditionals. And since we have the presence of a couple biconditionals and we have few variables, a truth table is a good way to go. We look at the places that evaluate to true, the different options that we have. So these options tell us immediately that this proposition can be written in the following way. Not B and not D, that corresponds to this right here. So false, false, so not B, not and not D. Or this right here, B and not D. Or we have B or D. So we could write it this way. Also realize though, and so this is a disjunctive normal form. Now let's write it off the truth table in a conjunctive normal form. The way we do that is we look at what the complement of this guy is, which is everywhere where it's false, but we're going to use these are called atoms in our Boolean algebra. We're going to use the atom that's opposite these. Okay, it's kind of like this is like a set of atoms, and we're going to be looking at the complement of that set. Because really, if we're looking at logical expressions, Boolean algebraically, it's really like a power set. It's a power set of these guys. Think of these guys as like atoms, and there's like 4 atoms we can work with. So the complement of this proposition as a subset, if you will, is just this atom right here. Okay, so that means if we take the complement of our whole expression, let's call our whole expression P for a minute. Okay, so P is all that. Then not P is going to be equal to the other atom that we haven't used, which is not B and D. So, well, this gives us a really quick way of writing down a simplified form for P. Because if you just take the complement of both sides of this equation, we're going to get P is equal to the complement of B and, let's see, hold on, yeah, and D. And then we're going to distribute this complement in. Okay, it turns this upside down. So now it's going to be or instead of and. That's going to be a B. That's going to be a not D. Whew. Okay. So doing that, we have just written down. In fact, depending on where you put parentheses, this is a disjunctive normal form, but it's also a conjunctive if you just think of it as one term, one island in a conjunctive normal form statement. Or if you put parentheses here and here, that's disjunctive normal form. Very snazzy, very quick way of writing this expression in terms of a simplified disjunctive or conjunctive normal form. Thanks for watching.